In this video I want to talk about fault code E919, which will appear on your Samsung remote controller up here, and what you'll find is that this error appears every Wednesday morning when you get up. What it means is that the unit does its Legionella function once a week, so every week it turns on the power to the immersion heater here, and it runs the immersion heater at the set temperature, which is normally 60 degrees C as measured by the tank sensor. So all E919 means is that this tank sensor here, the blue one, didn't get to 60 degrees C in 8 hours, so Legionella has not been completed. Very easy to fix. All you need to do is just press your on off button twice and the unit will start working again, but it's going to break down the week later. So you need to look at why it's happening. So first thing you do is you go to the unit, you pull the blue sensor out like this, right out of the cylinder. It's quite shoved in there. Straighten it all out. You can see here the little sensor. This needs to go inside the cylinder about this far. Okay, so what you do is you shove it in the hole. Always a good idea also to put some heat paste, some thermal paste on here if you've got some. Shove it in the hole until it touches the back wall of the cylinder, and I like to push just another inch or so of cable in as well to make sure that sensor is actually touching the back wall of the cylinder. So that's the first one. Now the unit will actually measure the tank temperature properly. Next thing I need to do is check that the thermostat is set up correctly in the immersion. So if you pull the lid off, you'll see the immersion has a little adjustable dial here. They're all different, but on these green ones you set them as high as you can. So if you look really carefully, we set that as high temperature as we can. Number 5. On some of the older immersions that we've had in the past, we have a brown immersion thermostat, and this one again, what you'd want to do is set this as high as possible, because if this is set below 60 degrees C, this thermostat will cut out before the unit gets the temperature, and there's your E919 problem. So if those two are correctly set, of course it's possible the immersion itself has failed, which will need to be tested with a meter, so you'll need to check there's some power and current and so on. But the last thing you need to do is you need to go to your controller and you need to check what the target temperature for Legionella is, because Samsung send this out annoyingly with a 70 degree target and we want it to be at 60. So you need to follow these sequence. You wake up the screen, pressing OK, press up and down button for 5 seconds. And try again, 5 seconds. You get service mode, you go 0, 2, 0, 2. Press OK. Go down 9 times to field settings. Press OK. Go down to 30 DHW. Press OK. Go down to 304 star disinfectant. Press OK. And go down here to target temperature and make sure this is set to 60 degrees C and press OK. It will say writing. Now you go return, 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 return all the way back to the beginning, and what will now happen is this machine will fire out a run signal on Tuesday night at 3 AM down the cable to the immersion, through the thermostat, heat the water inside the cylinder until this little sensor gets to 60 degrees C, and once it does, Legionella will be finished after 10 minutes. So every Wednesday morning you'll find the water is a little bit hotter than the rest of the week. If you find that next week you get the same fault code, it's probably a good idea to get that immersion heater checked. Just with a current clamp, they can measure the current drawn by the immersion and check there isn't any problem there. Hopefully that sorts it out for you. Good luck.